Ever parked in an empty lot only to return and find your car tightly squeezed between two vehicles? Getting started is simple. Make sure you're within 6 meters of the car. Next, long press the lock button to remotely start your car. To call your vehicle forward, press and hold the summon forward button on your key fob. The vehicle will begin approaching you in a straight line. Simply release the button to pause movement and press again when you're ready to continue. Your Harrier.ev can move up to 12 meters in summon mode. Need to back your vehicle out of a tight space? Just activate reverse summon using the dedicated key fob button. Full control is in your hands. Your safety is our priority. Summon mode automatically stops if you move beyond 6 meters. Detects obstacles or encounters any potential hazard. With summon mode, tight spaces are no longer a problem. Your Harrier.ev comes to you safely, smartly, effortlessly.
Tataev.